In this first intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a masked man is captured in front of someone's door, making repeated attempts to open it. The situation takes an unexpected turn as the homeowner intervenes, leading to a conversation that sheds light on the masked man's intentions.
Hello? Hi. How you doing? Hey, my name is David. We're here from Verizon because they installed a new tower for internet near your block to give very fast internet to your house.
In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, two men are captured as they access someone's front door. While one of them stands outside, keeping watch to see if anyone is watching, the other one makes repeated attempts to open the door. In this mysterious Ring doorbell footage, a lady is captured as she steps out from someone's porch at night, her actions raising suspicion. The darkness adds an air of intrigue to her movements, leaving us with questions about her intentions. In this revealing Ring doorbell footage, a woman is captured as she quickly approaches someone's house. Her intentions become clear as she decides to steal a package that doesn't belong to her, leaving us with a stark reminder of the challenges of package theft. In this intriguing nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he surveys someone's property, his actions suggesting a potential search for valuables. The cover of darkness adds an air of mystery to his intentions, leaving us with questions about his motives. In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he gains access to a house and starts attempting to break inside. His determined movements take him from one door to another, as he seeks a point of entry. In this revealing Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured in front of a door as he attempts to access it. However, his plans are thwarted by the timely intervention of the homeowner, causing him to leave the scene immediately. In this brief but intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he makes a hasty escape from a residence environment. His hurried actions leave us with questions about his motives and the circumstances that led to his departure.
Yeah. Get out. Yeah.
In this mysterious nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he accesses someone's premises. His movements take him from one point to another as he surveys and searches for valuables, his intent shrouded in the darkness of the night. In this captivating nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he stands in front of someone's door, exhibiting suspicious behavior and displaying strange attitudes. His actions raise concerns, leaving us with questions about his presence and intentions.
If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
In this thought-provoking Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he surveys a house, moving from one spot to another. His purposeful movements leave us with questions about his intentions and the reasons behind his observations. In this intense Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he breaks into a house by forcefully kicking the door. In this bold Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he confidently walks into someone's premises, his intentions clear as he proceeds to steal valuable items. With a practiced demeanor, he swiftly collects the items, places them inside his bag, and leaves, leaving us with a glimpse into the world of theft. In this enigmatic nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured in someone's yard during the late hours. His actions take an unexpected turn as he decides to sit down without an invitation from the owner, leaving us with questions about his motives. In this revealing Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he gains access to someone's property under the pretense of making a call. His actions become more suspicious as he moves from one spot to another, eventually attempting to test if the door is open. In this unexpected Ring doorbell footage, a delivery lady is captured as she drops off a package in front of the owner's door. What follows is a surprising sequence of events. She covers the package with the doormat before leaving. Shortly after her departure, a man enters the scene and promptly picks up the package from under the mat. In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he attempts to break into a property. The tension escalates as an alarm suddenly activates, prompting him to swiftly run away from the scene. In this revealing nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he breaks into a parked car, his actions suggesting a search for valuable items. The cover of darkness adds an air of mystery to his intentions, leaving us with questions about what he's seeking. In this captivating Ring doorbell footage, a suspicious man is captured inside someone's garage. His presence raises questions about his motives and activities within the space. In this mysterious nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he breaks into a vehicle, methodically searching for any valuables to take with him. The cover of darkness adds an air of intrigue to his actions, leaving us with questions about his intentions. In this intriguing nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he breaks into a car, actively searching for valuables. The situation takes an unexpected turn as the car's security alarm activates, yet he continues searching without showing fear of being caught by the owner. In this bold daylight Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he brazenly breaks into a parked car. With the surroundings illuminated by daylight, he searches inside and swiftly gathers all the valuables he can find. He then rushes back to a waiting car for a quick getaway. The vehicle owner steps out to retrieve her belongings, only to find her car emptied. Observed driving to someone's property. As they step out of their car, the man rushes to grab valuable items left outside the house. With remarkable speed, they make their escape before the owner can step out to stop them.
Wipe the windows down. Out the window. Sorry.
Are you fucking serious right now, bro? Really? Okay. BTJ 796.
In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a lady is observed walking into someone's porch, pressing the doorbell multiple times. Her actions are accompanied by suspicious movements, suggesting a hidden motive or intention. In this nighttime Ring doorbell footage, two young men are observed attempting to steal someone's basketball hoops. However, luck is not on their side, as the hoops are securely tied down, thwarting their efforts. In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a man is observed looking confused as he walks to someone's front door. He initiates a conversation, despite the absence of anyone else around him. His actions and demeanor raise questions about his intentions and the context of his visit.
Oh, trust it. I'm still that ring, right? Ain't that blue note? Hey, President. Obama speaking. I hear that. Red on dough. I said, you see Clover? I said, I'm perp. You know.
In this fast-paced Ring doorbell footage, a vehicle is observed parked in front of a house, with one man rushing out to grab a valuable item from outside someone's front door. He swiftly retreats back to the vehicle for a hasty escape. In this suspenseful Ring doorbell footage, a lady is observed walking out from a front door, carrying valuable items with her. Her swift departure is motivated by the desire to avoid getting caught in the act. In this brisk Ring doorbell footage, a lady is observed walking into someone's porch and swiftly picking up a valuable package that was left outside the front door. Her quick movements indicate a calculated intention to seize the opportunity. In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a lady is observed at someone's premises, making suspicious moves and engaging in what appears to be a thorough survey of the surroundings. Her actions raise questions about her intentions and the potential significance of her observations. In this audacious Ring doorbell footage, a man is observed walking up to someone's house front door and boldly grabbing expensive items he finds outside the house. His actions display a calculated intention to seize the valuable opportunity. In this curious Ring doorbell footage, a man and a lady are observed in front of someone's door, with the man displaying a puzzled attitude. His actions and demeanor raise questions about their intentions and the context of their presence. In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a man is observed walking up to a premise's front door at night. As he presses the doorbell, he simultaneously moves around, surveying his environment with a watchful eye. His return to the door suggests that he notices no immediate intervention. In this tense Ring doorbell footage, a car is seen driving to someone's front house, with a man stepping out from the car. He proceeds to a parked car and starts attempting to break into it. However, his efforts are thwarted as the car is properly locked by the owner. Despite several attempts, he realizes his failure and quickly makes a run for escape. In this intense Ring doorbell footage, a group of masked men is observed, with one member of the group making a bold attempt to break into a house. Meanwhile, the others keep a watchful eye on the environment. However, their efforts are in vain as the door is properly locked, thwarting their plans. In this stealthy Ring doorbell footage, a man is observed initially pretending to pass by, only to quickly change his course as he spots a valuable package outside someone's front door. With a stylish and swift move, he seizes the package and swiftly departs. In this swift Ring doorbell footage, a young-looking man is observed walking into someone's house front door. He surveys the area briefly before seizing valuable equipment left outside the house. With lightning speed, he departs the scene, making his escape before the owner can react.
Yo, hey!
In this unassuming Ring doorbell footage, a man is seen leaving someone's house front door, holding a package in his possession. His actions appear casual and without any immediate indication of suspicious behavior. In this fleeting Ring doorbell footage, a man is observed picking up items from someone's front house, swiftly seizing the opportunity, and promptly leaving. In this brief yet revealing Ring doorbell footage, a man is observed as he quickly makes a turn to approach someone's front door. With a purposeful move, he picks up a valuable item left outside before promptly departing.
I like when they put it in ghetto.
In this patient Ring doorbell footage, a delivery man is seen at someone's front door, pressing the doorbell and waiting for the house owner's response. With a sense of patience, he anticipates either the door opening or some form of intervention. However, as time passes without a response, he ultimately decides to leave with the package. In this cautious Ring doorbell footage, a man is seen patiently surveying his environment, carefully assessing the situation before him. With deliberate consideration, he makes his move to seize the items left outside someone's door. After successfully acquiring the items, he once again takes a moment to survey his surroundings before making his departure. As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.